Hello traders, Ant here again, good to have you with me. And today I'm going to talk you through 3 trades that I took using Ant's gold trading system, and I think you'll find it fabulous. I'm going to tell you why I took the trade, I'm going to show you why I took the trade, I'm going to show you just before the trade and just after the trade so you can see it. And I'm going to review, some of the things that I've previously talked about with regard to this fabulous trading system. I designed this system to be flexible. I wanted flexibility. Life has many ups and downs, as we all know, and you don't know just how often you're going to be trading, how long you're going to have available sometimes, and it's absolutely impossible to set yourself a target for the amount of money that you might make out of trading every day. You just can't do that. You can estimate monthly, and the best thing that you can do is monitor your win-loss ratio and your reward to risk ratio, which is what I talk about in all of my videos, because they're the key components of a trading system. This trading system, I believe, and it has for me, a fantastic probability associated with it. If the signals are there, then you've got to trade, and the signals are there regularly. And so trading different markets and different time frames is always useful when you've got fewer minutes available, and each of these trades was only taken for literally a few minutes. So let's have a look at the chart and I'll talk you through it. Okay, so here is the first trade. This trade I took at the end of September 24, and it was on the DAX. Now, it was the middle of the day on the DAX, but it was moving quite quickly on this particular day. So I thought, well, I'll have a look at that, because it was at a time where there wasn't a lot else happening in other markets. And this, when I saw the chart, I just thought, this is going to be good. It was, it was just producing this green candle on the 5-minute chart. It was just at the top here, and my system told me it's going to go down from there. So I waited a couple of minutes for the price to hold below the 20 EMA on the trading time frame and hold below the 8 EMA on the master time frame. And that then was in perfect position. I waited for a little flick up on this candlestick and then went short. And you can see that I'm already in the money, and we've reached the previous low. Now, sometimes I would get out at the previous low and pocket the money, but everything was so good, I thought, I'm just going to leave it a little bit longer. So, if you like, I'm scalping the 5-minute chart and day trading for a rundown on the 1-minute chart. And that's the type of trading that I do. So each time here, the price came down and went up, you've got a big, strong start to this downtrend, and then the price went back to the EMA, and the channel here that I refer to as the channel of value, or the river of value, and then it's going down, and it's going down, and it's going down, and this time also it's going down. And so isn't that brilliant? I mean, you've got 4 or 5 trades within there, but I didn't take any of those trades. I just took this one because this was the first time I'd looked at this market for hours or even for 24 hours. And so, yeah, it was a good start. So I thought I'd leave it. Now, the price is below the river of value. You can expect it to go up at some point in time. Let's just have a look at what happened next. There you go. So that's where I took the trade, and price did go back up, but it only went back up to a position below where my stop was. So my stop was well clear of that. You can see from here that, you know, my stop's going to be the high of this candlestick here, these highs here. And it didn't get anywhere near these highs here. So it was good to go down, and down it went. So just this one trade on this particular market on this particular day. In fact, that was the only trade I took in those 24 hours. Now, you know, I didn't sort of take the money and run. I mean, I made 450 quid. So if you can make that every day, and if I did have some sort of monetary target for what I took out of each trading day, then I would aim for something like that. You know, if you imagine 200-300 trading day, well, 250 trading days a year, that's going to make it well worthwhile to have trading for a living. But just one trade, I could have taken many, many more, but I didn't. And it wasn't because I was thinking, well, I've had a good trade, so, you know, why not just go and do something else? It's because that's the time I had available during that day. So you can see it was 3 o'clock in the afternoon in the UK, 4 o'clock in Germany. It was near to the closing. And this is today being the 9th of October. This is on the Dow, and it's opened at this stage, and prices started going down again. If you see the consistency in what I'm looking for here, good start to the trade, a good power start. Big red bar is the power involved. Price came down on the master time frame, 5 minutes, went up, and just at this point in time, this has got another 10 seconds to run on the 1 minute chart here, and just below the 8 EMA, just below the 8 EMA on the trading time frame, with the river of value being in place. This time frame looks absolutely, you know, great, and this one looks pretty darn good as well for a, you know, a reversal of this and more downwards movement. So all short trades on this occasion, but the same principles apply to long trades as well. So for example here, fantastic opportunity. The price went up, came back down, and then that was on the open, went up, and that was a good trade there. And I was awake at that time, and I was taking that trade. And I might even I think I recorded it, so I might even do a video on that. But anyway, being consistent with your trading is not making consistent profits. It will result in making consistent profits. Being consistent is taking consistent signals, prices below the river of value and going up. I expect a reversal and for it to go down. And on that basis, I've shorted just here. Actually, I shorted up here, but I got some slippage. So we're in, and I'm 12 quid up. Not a vast amount of money made so far, but we're in the money, and it started going down, and that's a good signal. it's a signal that price has reacted to this 8 EMA and this 8 EMA, and it started going down. That's what I'm looking for. And so that's where, just there, just at the bottom there of that one, that's where I entered. And I could have waited, look, and then got a little tail on that one and then taken that. And that at this stage is an exited trade, but the stop on this occasion was up here, the entry was here, and that's a nice reward to risk on that particular trade with very high probability, given that the context, content and Confluence was all there on this particular trade. I hope you're getting this now, guys. I hope you're getting this, but you need the full information on the gold system to operate it wholly effectively. Here's the trade associated with this one here, and so price has come down, you saw that, and it's gone back up to the 8 EMA on the trading time frame, and it started going down again. It left a tiny tail, so my stop is up here at this stage, and I'm in the money. So, you know, it's 250 quid up, but it's all looking really good, apart from the fact that price has just touched the 20 EMA going down, and it could bounce up. Anyway, I left the trade on this occasion. Got my entry just below the open of this particular candle as it was going down after it had put in the tail. So stop up here, and I'm almost at 1-to-1 at this stage here, to be honest with you. And this is what happened next. So that's where I entered, and I've exited here at that low there. So good money, and you know, I feel very grateful that I've learnt this skill. I feel even more grateful that I'm able to share it with people through my gold trading system. And you know, it's worth knowing all of this stuff. But 1-2 trades a day, and I can make the money that I need from trading to live a good life. And that's what I want you to take from this. You don't have to be sitting there scalping, taking 30 trades a day and sitting there for hours. These trades lasted, you know, that one from there lasted 2 minutes, and that was it. This one here lasted 2 minutes. And that's, you know, that's what you would expect with this particular system. You don't have to sit around all day doing it, because life is bigger than just making money and just trading to do so. But if you want to learn how to do this properly, then please do reach out to me. I'd be delighted to help you. So my name's Anthony Bidsall. Thanks for watching, and take a look at the Excellence Assured Trading Academy sometime. Cheers for now. Bye.